Let's talk about effective dates and refunds as a homeowner in this video. Let's talk about, can you get your money back on a flood insurance policy? So let's get started. Hi, I'm Chris, the Flood Insurance Guru. And for more than 12 years, I've been helping people overcome obstacles when it came to flood insurance premiums, just like I had to overcome when I was told I was going to have to pay $3,000 for flood insurance when I should have been paying $300. In today's video, we're talking about setting up a flood insurance policy. Maybe you change your mind. Maybe you find a better option out there. Are you going to be able to get your money back? It's a question we get every day. In fact, it's a situation we're helping a customer with right now that just took out a policy that was going to be almost $3,000. But then we had found them an alternative option for about $1,100. But unfortunately, they were being told by an insurance agent that they could not cancel this policy. And this is not uncommon, especially for maybe insurance agents who don't deal with flood very often. FEMA says, hey, you can't cancel a policy. And they're right, you can't mid-term. However, generally, if the effective date has not reached yet, you can cancel that. In fact, this is one of FEMA's cancellation reasons, which we have in the description of this video. You can also click up here in the corner of this video to see our playlist on FEMA cancellation reasons. So what about the refund? Are you actually going to get the refund back on this policy? You absolutely are. Now, as long as you send in that signed cancellation letter stating that you did not want to take that coverage out because the effective date has not come yet, then generally they're going to be able to get you that refund in about 30 days. So this is how this is going to work when it comes to canceling a flood insurance policy before the effective date. Maybe it's private flood insurance. Maybe your bank's not requiring it. Whatever the reason is, since the effective date has not reached yet, you absolutely can cancel this policy. But remember, if you miss that effective date just by 1 day, generally with these policies, you're going to have to wait a year to cancel it unless your mortgage is paid off, a mortgage company is not requiring it. There are a few exceptions here. So it's important to know this. So don't feel like, man, I've lost all hope because there's no way for me to get my money back. Even with a 30-day wait period, as long as that effective date of that policy has not reached yet, you potentially could be able to cancel this policy, maybe to go to a private flood insurance option, or maybe you just decide to change your mind that you don't want it. This is exactly how flood insurance works before the effective date when it comes to canceling the policy and getting your money back. So I hope this answers these two questions here in this video for you. Now, if you want to learn more about understanding the National Flood Insurance Program and private flood insurance before you take a policy out, so maybe this doesn't happen to you, click up here in the corner of this video where we talk about NFIP versus private. In the description of this video, you can also check out our ebook on flood insurance pricing to help you understand the different options there. My name's Chris, the Flood Insurance Guru, and I want to say thank you for watching today's video on canceling a flood insurance policy before it goes into effect. Thank you.